Hello and welcome to Olympiad tutorials. I am Aparna Adhikari and in today's class we are going to study about singular and plural and one word substitution. These two concepts are very important in English language. So let's get started. So first of all, let us understand how we can use s or es after the singular form of the noun to make the plural words. Like most nouns form their plurals by adding s to the singular, such as boy becomes boys, girl becomes girl. Just by adding s at the ending you can find the words. Like dog is dogs, horse horses, chair chairs, book books. In all these words s is added at the end of the noun. Now some nouns, they can be formed in a different way. Some nouns form their plurals in a different way by adding, first is by adding es. So if the noun ends with a hissing sound like brush, here you can see a hissing sound is at the end, brush. So it will become brushes. Box will become boxes. Gas will become gases. Glass will become glasses. Then rule number 2, that is by changing y into I and adding es. Means suppose any word is ending with y. So what you have to do? You have to add ies at the end. Like pony means a young horse. Pony will become ponies. P-O-N-Y pony. P-O-N-I-E-S. Y is replaced by I-E-S. Fly will become flies. Lady will become ladies. City will become cities. Very easy. Now rule number 3, by changing F into V and adding ES. Now there are few words which end with the letter F. So what you have to do? You have to, instead of F, you have to just add VES at the end. Like the word thief, T-H-I-E-F. You have F at the end. So what you have to do? You have to just add VES. Instead of F, you have VES. Thief becomes thieves. Similarly, calf, that is a baby cow. So just by replacing F by VES, you get the plural word, that is calves. Calf becomes calves. Leaf become leaves. And knife becomes knives. In all these examples, you can see F is being replaced by VES. Next, number 4, by changing of vowels. Just by changing few vowels, you can get the plural of some words. Like man becomes men. Foot becomes feet. Mouse becomes mice. Here in man, A is just substituted with E. Means you have just changed the vowel. Similarly in foot, the O is replaced by E. So foot becomes feet. In mouse, M-O-U-S-E, these vowels O-U, it is just replaced by I and C. Okay. And you will get mice. The woman becomes women. Tooth becomes teeth. Goose becomes geese. So in this way, by changing vowels also, we can find the plural forms of the given noun. And last, by adding en. Ox, that is a male cow is called ox. So ox becomes oxen. Child becomes children. You cannot say childs or oxes. These words don't exist. So just by adding en, you can get the plural form of these words. So in this way, these are the few rules for finding the plural of any given noun. So now let's begin with few examples. So now let's begin with example number 1, ox. As we saw, you can get the plural of ox just by adding en. So your option number C will be correct. C, oxen. Ox becomes oxen. Calf becomes calves. The F is being replaced by VES. Library will become libraries. Y at the ending. So Y is being replaced by IES. So library becomes libraries. Deer, yes. Dear is going to remain dear. You don't have to add anything extra in this word. Dear remains dear. Tax, taxes. Foot will become fit. This is the example of change in the vowel. Number 7, penny will become pennies. Life will become lives. Chef, chefs. Gentleman. Now here man will become men and the word gentle is going to remain as it is, that is gentleman. Gentleman, plural form is gentleman. Next, news. News will remain news. Few words like dear, news, furniture, these words can be used for both singular and plural forms also. Next, roof, roofs. Runner up. Now this is made of two words. So only the first word, that is runner, you have to use the plural of that word. Up is going to remain as it is. So option number B, runners up, will be the correct answer. Next, turkey, turkeys. Turkey is a bird. Volcano, volcanoes. Noes. Volcano, volcano, and Volcanoes, volcanoes is going to be the correct plural form of the word. So now we'll be discussing the substitute words for the given questions. So like, what do you mean by aquarium? Aquarium is a place where you can see different types of fishes and plants. So similar to that, we are going to use one word substitution for the given questions. So carefully read the questions while solving them. So number 16, a place where books are kept. Library, store, school or staff room. Yes, the correct answer is library. Next, a number of people listening to a lecture. Ministers, audience, students, professors. So your answer is going to be audience. Audience always listen to the lectures. Next, the 18th number, the art of beautiful writing by hand. Handicraft, calligraphy, handwritten, handmade. Here option number B, calligraphy, is going to be the correct answer. The beautiful art form of writing in a very beautiful handwriting is called calligraphy. Number 19. A doctor who treats your teeth is called pediatrician, dermatologist, dentist or ophthalmologist. So your correct answer is dentist. Yes. Some of the other time we have to go to the dentist. So always brush your teeth so that your teeth is healthy. Then no need of visiting the dentist. Number 20. A collection of stories or poems is called constellation, novel, anthology, none of this. So your collection of stories or poems is called anthology. So here instead of collection of stories, one word substitution, that is anthology. Next, a group which has the same spelling or pronunciation but different meaning is called antonyms, homonyms, opposite or synonym. So your answer is going to be homonym. They have the same spelling and pronunciation, but the different meaning is going to be different. Like antonyms is opposite, synonym means same meaning words, and homonym means these words, they have the same spelling, the same kind of pronunciation, but the meaning is different. So like example, feet. This word F-E-E-T, feet. Feet means the plural of foot also you can say. Plus in mathematics, the term for measuring the distance is called feet. Okay, so that means the same word is used for different meanings. So these kind of words are called homonyms. Next, number 22. The life story of a person written by somebody. Biography, autobiography, novel or storybook. So the correct answer is going to be biography. If someone is writing someone else's story, life story of any person, suppose if I feel that I want to write a book on APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So what is that going to be called? Biography. But if I write my own book on my own life story, then that book will be called autobiography, means written by the person himself. Okay. And novel and story, these refers to the fictional stories which are generally written by the writers and all. Number 23, one who sees the brighter side of things. Means brighter side of things means the positive things. In each and everything, they try to find out the positive things instead of pointing out to the negative one. Options are pessimist, optimist, agnostic and leader. So here your answer is going to be optimist. An optimistic person always look to the positive side or the brighter side of the things. Next, a school for small children, play zone, college, motel and kindergarten. So here very easy, we all have studied in the kindergarten. So school of small children is called a nursery or a kindergarten. Or you can just say KG. KG means kindergarten. Number 25. A short stay at a place, sojourn, trip, picnic, camp. Sojourn is the correct answer, which refers to the short stay at any place, not in our house but somewhere else. Okay. A short stay at that place, maybe lasting for a few hours. Okay. Not for a much duration of time, because on trips we go, for picnics we go, that time duration is very long. For a camp also we go for few days. But sojourn means a short stay at a place for a limited amount of time. Number 26. That which cannot be eaten. Options are edible, inedible, candy, sour. Now here edible means which can be eaten and inedible means the things which we cannot eat. That is called as inedible. And sour is a taste and candy is which we eat, sweet candy and all. So number 25, a place where players go to play. Zoo, temple, stadium, swimming pool. Very easy answer. Yes. Place where players go to play is stadium. Number 28. A list of words with meanings and explanation. Encyclopedia, atlas, glossary, autobiography. So now encyclopedia means it gives the information about different things and in encyclopedia you have vast things covered. In atlas is nothing but a group of collection of maps. And glossary means a list of words and meanings and explanation. At the end of any book, you will find glossary. When you move on to your upper classes and all, you can see the books have the pages at the end which are titled glossary, which contains all the meanings and explanation of the difficult words. And autobiography means a life story written by the person himself. Number 29, a sound which can be heard. Pitch, notes, listener, audible. So here your answer is going to be audible, means which can be heard. Next, number 31, who eats too much. Hungry, giant, glutton, beggar. So here out of the four options, the answer is glutton, because a person who eats too much or in a very greedy manner, it is called glutton. So very easy questions. I hope you all are solving along with me. This is the achievers section. So in this, you will have a bit of kind of questions. So here we have 5 questions from the achiever section. First is you have to find the plural form of the given word. So here half, the plural of half is halves, Halves. Just you have to replace the F with Ves. Next is prey. Prey is praise. The lion catches its prey. Okay. Next, ship. Ship is going to remain ship. We saw the example of deer in the previous example also. So the words like ship, deer, these can be used for both singular and plural. More examples of plural such kind of words is rice, bread. All these are nouns which are uncountable nouns. Okay. And so they can be used for both singular and plural. Next is choose the correct one word substitute for the following phrases. Number 34, one who is easily deceived. Easily deceived means you can fool someone, okay, very easily. So that options are master, sober, gullible and illiterate. So here option number C is going to be gullible, a person who is easily deceived. Deceived means to make fool of. Next, number 35, a supposed cure for all disease. Surgery, panacea, tablet, medicine. So here panacea is going to be the supposed cure for all the diseases. Yes, children, hope you all have solved so many questions, almost 35 questions we have solved. Practice more and more problems. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all my videos as soon as I upload them. And for any doubts, you can pin me in the comment section. For online classes and other queries, you can mail me at my email ID adhikariaparna61@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and we'll meet very soon. Bye bye.